Hello kids, I'm here for you again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert non-terminating recurring decimal numbers into fractions. This is what we have to convert into a fraction today. But before then, let me tell you something very important. Any number in the form of 0 point a. This a, I mean, and they are digit numbers where a, which is a single digit number, keeps on recording a. For example, if you have 0.3333, this is what I mean, a single digit that keeps on recording. To convert that number into a fraction, it is as simple as taking that digit that keeps on recording a, but it is a single digit that keeps on recording, therefore divide by a single 9. Therefore, to convert 0.33333 recording into fraction, just take that digit that keeps on recording, which is 3, then divide it by a single 9. This will give us what? 1 divided by 3 to the lowest term. Just take your calculator, press 1 divided by 3, you shall obtain 0.3333. And if you have a number like 0.AB, AB, where A and B keeps on recording. To convert this into fraction, just take that value or digit that keeps on recording, which is AB, but this time around there are 2. Divide by 2 nines, something like this. Therefore, if we have, for instance, 0.12, you see, 1, 2 keeps on recording. This is the same thing as that. 1, 2 divide by 9, 9. If you can reduce it, you can do that. I know that 3 can go into 12 exactly 4 times, and 3 can go into 99 exactly 33 times. Therefore, 4 divided by 33 will give us this value. If there are 3, 0.ABC, ABC, like that. ABC keeps on recording. Take that value ABC, divide by the number of 9s, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, something like this. So let me give you example in this form. For example, we have 0.123. 1, 2, 3 keeps on recording. This is the same thing as 1, 2, 3. Divide by 9, 9, 9. If there are 4, 9, 9, 9, 9. If there are 5, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. But all these decimal numbers that are not terminating, they are in the form of 0 point something. But what we want to convert here is 3 point something. And you can see that it is not immediately, because we have 2 before the digits that keeps on recording. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits that keeps on recording. So how can we tackle this problem? I'm going to show you how. First of all, you should know that this value right here can be written as 3.2 plus 0.014287. You know, all of these 6 digits keeps on recording. It means that we have other 142857, 142857. It keeps on recording. If you take your calculator, just add this to this, you must get this back. Secondly, remember that what we used to convert to fraction is 0 point something, but this is 0.0 before the something. How can we tackle this one? This is equal to, let me rewrite this one, 3.2 plus this. I can write this as 0.142857. This is the numbers. These are the numbers that keeps on recording, right? Just multiply this by 1 over 10. Or simply divide this by 10, all the same. Once you divide this number by 10, it will give us this back, because it is going to shift this decimal point backward, right? By dividing it by 10, it will give us this back. So now we have our number in the form of what we used to convert to fraction. Just take those values that keeps on recording. So let me repeat this. This is 3.2 plus the numbers, the digits that keeps on recording, 1, 4, 2857, right? Divide by the number of nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like this. Don't forget to multiply by 1 over 10. We are moving. I have already solved this one. If you want to confirm, you can do that. This can go in here exactly 7 times. So this is the same thing as 1 divided by 7, because the whole of this digit can go into itself exactly 1 time, and it can go into 9999 exactly 7 times. So this is equal to 3.2 plus 1 divided by 7 multiplied by 1 divided by 10. This is equal to 3.2 plus 1 divided by 70, because 7 times 10 is 70. All right, then we need to convert this into fraction as well. You know, this is just a terminating decimal number. To shift this decimal point here, you need to multiply by 10. So let me show you how to convert this number as well. 3.2, you know, it can be rationalized as 3.2 divided by 1. So for equivalent fraction, if you could remember, whatever number you use to multiply the top will be the same number to multiply the bottom. So we are going to multiply by 10 over 10. If you multiply the top number by 10, it becomes 32, because the decimal point will be shifted to the right once. Divide by 1 times 10 is 10. And we can write this to the lowest term, because 2 can divide 32 exactly 16 times, and 2 can divide 10 exactly 5 times, which implies that 3.2 is the same thing as 16 divided by 5. You can confirm that as well. So we have this to be 16 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 70. So once we add these two fractions together, we are going to obtain that single fraction, which is equivalent to this decimal number. So let's do it to the other side. So we have 16 over 5 plus 1 divided by 70. The LCM, remember that any number that ends with 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. And therefore, I know that 5 can go into 70. So let me write 70 here as our LCM. So how many times can 5 divide 70? 14 times, right? 14 times, because 5 into 7, 1, we have a remainder of 2. You bring that 2 to 0, it becomes 20. 5 into 20 is 4, making 14 times. And 14 times 16 is 224 plus 70 into 71 times 1 is 1. So if you add the top, you have 225 divided by 70. All right, this number ends with 5. This ends with 0. All of them are divisible by 5. So let me reduce them. 5 into 22. 5 into 20 is 4, right? So it will go there 4 times with a remainder of 2. Into 25, we have 5. Then 5 into 70, we have already seen that this can go into 70 exactly 14 times. I don't think this can be reduced anymore, so this is the fraction. Just take your calculator, press 45 divided by 14. You shall obtain this non-terminating recurring decimal number. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.